MetaTrader 4 versus MetaTrader 5. What is the difference? In this video, I'm going to answer that question and explain the features that each one has that the other one does not have. I will launch the MetaTrader 4 app and I will launch the MetaTrader 5 app. The one on my left hand is MetaTrader 4 and the one on my right hand is MetaTrader 5. We are on the quotes page. Quotes. So this one is not written, but it's on the quotes page. And when looking at it, you will see that they both have the same interface. So there's no difference here in the quotes page. When you tap on this plus icon, follow this page to add commodity or symbols. So we can also use the find symbol to search for commodity pair or the currency pair that you are looking for. If you tap on this pen icon, when you tap on it, you are going to be able to rearrange. Same goes with the MT5 or MetaTrader 5. You can arrange your quote, and this delete icon too. When you tap on it, select the one you want to delete, tap on it again, it will delete. So that's the same with the MetaTrader 4. The same way. So there's no difference between the quotes page. Both have the same interface and the same features. So moving on to the next page, which is the charts page. Look at it. So I'm in the charts page now. So they both have the cursor icon. When I tap on this cursor icon, you can use it to highlight where your stop loss is going to be. Look at the number. You can use it to highlight the number. Whichever way you move it and use it to know where your stop loss or take profit number is going to be. Just to get the number and then you put it in the take profit or stop loss section. Then moving on to the next one is the indicator. Once I tap on it, this F, you will see MT5 has the ability to hide and unhide without deleting it, while MT4 does not have. If you want to hide an indicator, all you have to do is to delete the indicator or edit it. But this one, you can hide and unhide indicator in the MetaTrader 5 app. Another thing here is the way you can delete. When you tap on it, MetaTrader 4 has the same function. Let's see if they have the same indicators. Looking at it, they have the same indicator, but the MetaTrader 4 does not have this zigzag. Does not have this zigzag indicator. So moving on, I think they have the same. Yes, on oscillation, they have the same. Moving on to the next one, I think they have the same too. They all have the same features. So now let me go back. This one have one feature that this one does not have. Moving on to the next one. On the MetaTrader 4, the next option that follows is the objects icon, while on MetaTrader 5, you have your time frame there. So, but if you want to access the objects page on the MetaTrader 5, all you have to do is to tap on the screen, and there you will see the object icon. We'll follow this page. So when you tap on this, you will see this page is for you to add lines. If you want to do that on MetaTrader 5, you have to use here, then select the line, and then draw the line. Now the MetaTrader 5 has the ability for you to duplicate or quickly delete the line, and this is draggable, while the MetaTrader 4 does not have that. Let me tap on this. As you can see, it's taking me to the objects page. Let's go back to the time frame that we have here. Looking at the time frame, you will see that we have how many time frame here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I think we have 8 time frame. Okay, 9. I didn't count this one. Why we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We have 9 here. So when we tap on this, I think we'll have more time frame. And if you want to add more or remove, if you want to add or remove more, you have to tap on this setting or sprocket icon, and here you will see more. Minute 5, minute 10, minute 12, minute 30, minute 3, minute so on. So as it says here, long press a time frame to add or remove it from the chart menu. So when you long press on it, you can be able to add that. So but I will not be doing it, but I don't think the MetaTrader 4 has this option. When I press and hold on this, is it going to take me to any page? No, I don't think it's going to take me to any page, and I cannot be able to add more time frame. I only have the ability to use only these 9 time frames, but with the MetaTrader 5 I can be able to add more. So moving on to the next one. This one is the currency or symbol quick switch. So like the icon implies, you can quickly switch to another currency by tapping on this. When you tap on it, you can then choose which one you want to switch or one you want to quickly switch to. So this is it. Then if you want to do that on the MetaTrader 5, it is very easy and simple. When you tap on this, you'll be able to switch. Let me switch and see I've switched to another symbol. Just tap on it and then tap on it again, and I've switched. But the MetaTrader 4, you have to tap here and then look for the one you want to switch and then switch to it. Then when you tap on this other icon, That's the next option we have there. But the MetaTrader 5, when you tap on the other page, it opens this way. It doesn't open the way this one is. You can still open it this way in the MetaTrader 5. But once you tap on this other icon, the only thing that opens is this quick trade execution option, which you can be able to sell or buy. Then you set your lot size from here. But the MetaTrader 4, this is where you now set your lot size, and this is where you can input the stop loss number and the take profit number. Then you can change it to instant execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and so on. But in MetaTrader 5, if you want to access the buy limit or the sell stop page, all you have to do is to tap on this icon, and there you will see your sell stop and sell limit. When you drag it above where the market is, it will change to sell limit. If you drag it below where the market is, it will change to buy limit. That is how it works. Then when you want to activate it, all you have to do is to tap on this arrow. When you tap on this arrow, it will now bring you to this page, this same page that we have on the MetaTrader 4 app. You can see change the buy limit here. Market execution showed MetaTrader 5 has more functions, and on this page is the same. You can add your stop loss and your take profit from here. So that is it, and then you can quickly change to another trading currency or symbol, just like the way this one is. But I think the MetaTrader 5 will help you to execute trade faster than the MetaTrader 4 because it has more functions. And looking at here now, when if I enter this trade, maybe let me say this, and I come down to tap on this stop loss here, I tap on this SL, I can be able to see the amount that I'm going to lose. Look at it, it's showing this account is in Nigerian currency. I'll be able to see the amount that I'm going to lose. But you can't do that in the MetaTrader 4. You can't do that. I don't think it has the option for you to see how much you are going to lose or how much you're going to make. Okay, let's say I'll tap on this TP. I'll be able to see my take profit and the amount I'm going to make, which is 7,000 Nigerian currency. But you can't do that on the MetaTrader 4 chart. So I'll exit all this. Then looking at how the interface is, you can see I can drag this and then zoom more in. I can zoom in more. Now let's see how far I can zoom. So I can zoom far too, but the chart is stick to this edge. It is very close to the edge, unlike the one on the MetaTrader 5. See, the chart has a lot of space for you to see the more position that the market is about to make movement to. You can scroll here to shrink and unshrink, but I don't think you can do that on the MetaTrader 4. Look at it, you can't do it. When you tap on this icon, you can see you have the setting. You can access the settings page from here, but I don't think you can do that. The MetaTrader 5, it has this icon now, this one. The MetaTrader 4 does not have it. What the function does is you can use it to watch two charts at the same time. Now I'll have to add another window. Let me tap on the add window. Okay, I've added another window. Look at it. You can be able to watch two charts. So if this one is Euro USD, I can be watching gold XAU USD. I can still be watching gold on my phone. Look at it. And I can zoom, but you can't do that on the MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4, you have to watch only one chart, but here I can be watching two charts and I can execute trade whichever one that I want. Like if I can tap here now and then because this one is highlighted, look at the blue line. Look at the blue line that shows that it has been highlighted. If I tap on this icon now, I can be able to buy or sell. So if I want to switch, I will select this one. Look at it to now show that I'm executing trade on this one. So you can be able to access the multi-window function on MetaTrader 5, but you can't do that on the MetaTrader 4. So that is one big feature again that MT5 has that the MT4 does not have. So I'll be moving on to the next page, which is the trade page. Let me tap on this. So the trade page, I think both of them are the same, but in order to know if which one has more features than the other, I'll have to enter some random trade so that I will give it a try. So let me go back. Then I'll just go for, this is a demo account, so I'll just go for a buy trade. This one too, demo account. Let me just go for a buy trade. So I've executed trade here, but you see how this one is going to take some time. Okay, done. That's it. So I have executed some trade. Let me go back again. So let me execute a sell trade on this one. I'll tap on this and then I'll tap on sell. Then let me choose another currency. Okay, if I want to choose another currency, I'll have to tap here. Then I'll choose. Let me choose this one and then I'll go for a sell trade here. And I tap on this. Now I'll tap on sell. Then It's done. Then I have two trades here, so all are in loss, and both of the accounts are demo accounts, so you don't have to worry about anything. So now let's see which one has more function than the other. So here I can tap on these three dots, but the MetaTrader 4 does not have these three dots. Then the next one is to swipe. Let's swipe and see. So if we swipe, you will see the difference. This one has more function than this one. So, and if you swipe again, I think they are both the same. So can we swipe this way? No. Can we swipe this way? No. Can we swipe this way? No. So this one has this three dot. This one does not have the three dot. Now let's see the option that comes out when you tap on this three dot. When I tap on it, the option I have here is to close all position, close losing position. So but this one, let's see, you can't do that. So let me see. When I press and hold on it, what do we have? Close order, modify order, and chart. So for this one, when I press on it, what do I see? See close position, modify position, bulk operation. So how can we close multiple trade if we are on this? I don't think we can close multiple trade all at once. I don't think you can do that on the MetaTrader 4. You can close all trade. If you have a lot of trade that are in profit or that are in loss, that you want to close all at once, you can't do that on the MetaTrader 4, but you can do that in the MetaTrader 5. All you have to do is to press and hold on it, head over to the bulk operation, and then close all position, close losing position, close sell position. You see, the option is too much for MT5. Here is the new order icon. If you want to add new order, so they both have the same. They both have the same, and here is how to sort. If you want to sort the symbols here, you can use it to sort them. So all I have to do is to go over to the next page, which is the history. This is the history icon, and this is the history icon for the MetaTrader 5. So here you will see positions, say no history. Okay, orders. So there is no active position. I don't know. So this is where you're going to see your trade. They all have the same features. That this one is the currency, this one is the sort, and this one is the date. You can set the date range from today, last week, and so on. So this is it. They both have the same feature. And then moving on to the next one is this messages. So this is where you're going to find out if your account is going to be blown or not. So look at it. They both have the same, but the MetaTrader 4 has this news page. So you can be able to see news on this new page when you have a MetaQuotes verified account. That's when you can be able to see the forex news in this page. So MetaTrader 5 does not have that. So I think the function is being depreciated or something. Now, I believe that I've been able to explain the difference between the MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5 trading app. And I would like you to tell me in the comment section which one you are using. If you are using MT5, comment MT5 in the comment section. And if you're using MetaTrader 4, comment MT4 in the comment section. And another thing I would like you to do is to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel. If there's anything that I did not explain in this video, kindly drop them in the comment section. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. And I also made a video on how to use the MetaTrader 5 app. Watch this video. I've explained the simple steps of how to use the MetaTrader 5 app, and I also explained the features that it have and how to use all of them. Watch this video, and I will see you in this video.